Napakaganda nitong property na ito dito sa Anilao, no? Dito sa pinaka beachfront, katabi mo si Enrique Hill. So before we start, no, thank you so much to our listing agents and brokers for bringing us dito sa beach resort, dito sa beachfront property dito sa Locloc, Batangas. So anyway, no, before we head on to this estate or this property with a total land area of 238 plus square meters and total floor area of 150 square meters. You have 4 bedrooms, you have bathroom, and we will check out this house, no? Kung naghahanap kayo ng isang rest house na talagang kalmado dito sa Philippines, guys, consider nyo po ito. So, konting refurbish, konting renovation, at talaga namang masosurprise ka sa area na to kasi yung mga kapitbahay mo dito mga celebrity. Okay? So, follow me. Wow. Diba? So, dito sa side ito, you have a bedroom. Later on, I will check that out. Alright. So this is your balcony space. So, right here, you have the full view of the base. And napakaliwanag ng area na ito. So, this one is facing ka na sa South China Sea. So, facing in the South China Sea. So, expected that this area talaga namang mahangin at very kalmado. So, aside from that spot, so, itong area na to, tumatanggap po ito ng guests. So, you can make this unit into a Airbnb or staycation house. But before the buying process now, we will check out the property. Okay, so by the way, welcome to your new home here in the Philippines. Property nito, so consider niyo po siya as your investment or your rest house. Okay, so napakaganda ng property nito. So dahil ako millennial, so for me, no, I just consider this property as a weekend getaway or staycation. So follow me and we'll check out the house here. See? Wow. So if you're looking for investment, so this is your living and dining space. So what good thing over this property, this is a open layout. So this is a fully furnished, by the way, so anything attached to this property are included. So one thing for sure na mai-enjoy nyo is the ceiling design, the ceiling height. So it's about mga 4 meters height. So napakaganda rin ng ceiling treatment. And right here, you have your living space. And to my left side, this is your bar. So you have built-in cabinet. Anyway, so itong property nito has power or electric already. So ang supplier ng kuryente dito is a Batangas. And right here, you have your dining area space. And maraming renovation and refurbish itong property na ito kasi seems like no, itong mga built-in cabinet kailangan siyang i-refurbish. But the price of 6.5, so nakapaka-reasonable. And this one is titled. And over here, you have your space. No, dito talaga mga greens area. And over here, you have your bathroom space. So you have water closet and a shower space. Of course, you have this wash area. Okay. The design of this house is uphill. So mayroon kang basement area. Okay. So over here, you have your bedroom. See, you have a built-in cabinet. So medyo kailangan talaga siya refurbish. You have here the full view of this sliding window with a view of the ocean or the base. And right here, another bedroom with a single bed. So you have oversized window over here. Napakataas din ang kanilang ceiling design. Okay, and to my right side, again, you have a bedroom, but right now, sarado siya. So, the same size, it can accommodate a single bed. And over here, you have the access, no? Taking you to the basement area. Wow. See? And this is the basement area of this estate, no? So, right here, you have nice space, no? Pwede pa kayong maglagay dito ng mga double deck or another bedroom. But right now, meron siyang isang bedroom dito sa ground basement area, which is this one. So, nawala yung mga doorknobs. Anyway, konting refurbish, konting renovation. Alam niyo naman dito sa Anilao talagang diving spot in the Philippines. Okay? So aside from this one, yung hindi matatawarang view of the base, the view of the mountains, and the beautiful view of the sunset. So we will go over there now to give you the recap of this property for sale. So let's go. Right, so again, thank you so much to our listing agents and brokers for bringing us dito sa beach resort, dito sa diving capital in the Philippines, which is the Anilao area. So if you are interested to buy this estate, so you can reach us on the number visible on the screen. Again, so this property with a total land area of 230 square meters plus area, this one is titled, and with a total floor area of 150 square meters. You have 4 bedroom. The property kailangan refurbish, but ang hindi mo tatawarang area dito is the view of this nature. So if you are interested, you can contact us today. So again, this estate is selling in the market for 6.5 million pesos cash. Alright, so my name is Ray and I hope to see you in our next video. Maraming salamat po, daghang salamat. Gracias, amigo, amiga all over the globe. Thank you very much and God bless everybody.